welcome to online classes, children. Today in chapter 4, we are going to study about multiplicative inverse and division of fractions. So first of all, multiplicative inverse. See, when the product of two numbers is 1 is the multiplicative inverse of the other. Okay. Suppose for example, if I give you here 3 by 2 as the fraction, and if I asked that what is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 2. Okay, so when we multiply 3 by 2 into 2 by 3, that will give you 1. So 1 is the one we are getting here. So that means 2 by 3 is we can also call it as the reciprocal. Okay, so what is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 2? That is 2 by 3. Okay. So it is also called reciprocal. Alright. So next one you can see here, children. Write the reciprocal of the following fraction. The question is taken from My Practice Time 9. Question number C. 3 by 5 is the fraction. So as I said, what we have to do? We have to just inverse the fraction to get the reciprocal. So the answer is 5 by 3. Okay, next is 9 by 12, and what is the reciprocal? 12 by 9. So 4 by 7 is the fraction here, and what is the reciprocal of 4 by 7? That is 7 by 4. Okay, now you see division of fractions. Okay, first of all, we will be seeing this division of fraction in three categories. First is when a whole number is divided by a fraction. So you see here the question will take it from My Practice Time 10. Question number 1. Solve the following by using diagrams. Okay. So 3 divided by 1 by 2. Okay. 3 is a whole number here and 1 by 2 is a fraction. Okay. So as I said, a whole number when divided by a fraction. This case we are saying here. So see, it is saying that using diagrams we have to find the answer. So let us draw the diagram for this. So we are taking here 3 boxes for 3 whole number. Okay, now again divided by 1 by 2. So these 3 boxes are divided into 1 by 2. That means each box is divided into half. Okay, so what you can see here, that total how many boxes now you are having? Each part, that is 6. Total part of the boxes are here is 6 now. Okay, so 3, and when we change this into, when we find the reciprocal of this, that this division sign will change into multiplication, and 1 by 2 will change into 2 by 1. Okay, so 3 into 2 will give you 6. 6 by 1. 6 by 1 means 6 only. Okay. Next you have 4 divided by 1 by 3. Okay, so let us see this also. So for the whole number we are having 4 boxes here, and each 4 boxes will be divided into 3 equal parts, as you can see here. So the diagram for this question is like this. Now how many total boxes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12. So total 12 boxes we are having now. Okay, so you can see here now 4 when taken reciprocal 1 by 3, we are getting multiplied by 3 by 1. So 4 into 3 will give you 12 by 1, and that is equal to 12. Next question, divide the following. 4 divided by 1 by 2. The same thing, children. What we have to do, this we are not using the diagrams only. We are changing the fraction into reciprocal, and then we are solving it. So reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1, and this division sign will change to multiplication sign. Okay, and 4 into 4 will give you 16, and this one is written as the denominator, and 16 by 1 is 16 as answer. Next is 5 divided by 1 by 7. Again we have taken the reciprocal of 1 by 7, and this division sign has changed to multiplication. So 1 by 7 will give you 7 by 1, the reciprocal, and 5 into 7 is 35, and divided by 1 the denominator. So 35 divided by 1 equals to 35. This is the answer. Similarly, we have done these 2 questions also, children. You can see and you can note it down in your copy. Okay, these all are the solutions of the same question. Same thing we are doing. The reciprocal we are taking and we are multiplying the numerators, and then denominator we are writing it here. So you can see 6 divided by 5 by 6. Okay, so the reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5, and multiplication sign will come here. Okay, so 6 into 6 is 36. 36 by 5. We can, as you can see, that this is an improper fraction, so we can convert it into mixed fraction. So when we are changing, we are getting 7 1 by 5. Here also the same thing we have done. You can note it down in your comment. I hope all the concepts are clear to you. What we have discussed here: multiplicative inverse, that means reciprocal, and how to divide the fractions. Okay, thank you.